Yes, please.
Case of murder. You must be unanimous, as I've explained. I came down with a pretty bad cough between yesterday and today. It's making this a little challenging. I apologize.
Things get bad in your relationship for years in this particular relationship.
Judge gets a cough drop delivery.
He's really at Mount Auburn. Before you, now, in 22, 64 years old. He's a lot younger, as you've heard. This guy who I love. I'm not giving up on him. By this time, he's a cocaine addict.
I think I missed 2 coughs there.
Power.
You're about to give him
You guys fight fires.
Yeah, we went building, so to the building or the structure that was closer.
In the bedroom, he wasn't able to. Now, what have you...
One cougher that's causing the super spreader event here.
Kind of, I guess, maybe, no. That
Remains to be seen.
but
Issues there. Don't carry the same.
You don't. You guys are the same.
still, so I kept on asking questions.
That you wrote down conscious and so much work when you were.
When you went through and you know where...
No further questions.
Let me go ahead and update the counter here. We're at 81.